Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Windows 11 virtual machine inside VMware that doesn't require the creation of a USB installation media created by Rufus that bypasses the TPM limitation. So first up, we are going to need VMware, obviously, and as part of this demonstration, I'm going to show you guys how to add a TPM into the VMware virtual environment. As you can see, I've got two virtual machines here that I daily drive. One's set up without TPM, that's created by my Windows installation media that I created in Rufus in a previous video. And when we pop into the hardware configurations for this, you can see that no TPM is present anywhere on the devices list. And if we go to add devices, again, no TPM can be added to this virtual machine. And next, let's cancel out of it since there's no hope for TPM here. And then let's go look at the one with TPM setup. And as you can see at the bottom here, there's a line called Trusted Platform Module. That's our virtual TPM added to the machine. And let's cancel out of it, and I'll show you guys what to do to get that TPM inside the virtual environment. So we want to go to Home and create a new virtual machine. And then here we are going to add the ISO that we want to use during the Windows 11 installation process. We want to browse for the file and then click Next. And here select Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 and later 64-bit. And here give a name to the virtual machine and set a allocated disk space to the virtual machine. On the final page here, it's gonna ask you to customize your hardware, and now is a good time to do so. Here you can choose whatever you like based on the capabilities of your hardware. And if we have a look here, in the add section, we have no option to add a TPM to the virtual machine whatsoever. So now we have to do some external tweaks to the VMX file. Now we are gonna go ahead and close VMware and head over to Notepad, where we'll locate the .vmx file for our virtual machine under File, Open. And then make sure that here, all files is selected instead of text document because you want the VMX file to show up, and text document only means TXT files. Once you've located a file, double click to open it, and then it will look something like this. You will have all your connected devices to the virtual machine and all the configurations that you saved earlier at a glance. And then we want to scroll all the way to the bottom and add a new line to the text document, which says managed VM dot auto capitalize A add VTPM, all capitalized, and then space equals space quotation mark software end quotation mark. It's important that you match this line exactly as it is because if not, the virtual TPM may not work. This line may naturally be found in the description below, so if you don't want to type it, then just copy and paste it. After adding the line, Ctrl S to save the file or go up here to save it, and then exit out of Notepad. Then we want to go to VMware Workstation again and locate the new virtual machine that you created. When we go to edit configurations for this virtual machine, you are going to see that a Trusted Platform Module has been added to this virtual machine. And now you can cancel out of this menu and then boot up the virtual machine because we've already linked the ISO to the boot up sequence. Then press any key to boot from the ISO. And upon boot up, you will see a normal Windows 11 installation. Here, select your language and time settings as well as your desired keyboard format and then install now. After setup is started, select I don't have a product key, and then proceed to select whichever edition of Windows that you want. Then agree to the ULA, select custom for the installation, and select a disk to install to. And then at this stage, all you gotta do is wait. The process is fully automatic. After the post-installation process has done loading, just select your country and region, choose the keyboard layout, and wait for it to check for updates. After that, give a name to your device or choose to leave it till later. And then after reboot, it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. After that, create a PIN for your user account. Unfortunately, this step is required in standard Windows 11 installations. You can choose to include letters and symbols also, but I'm not going to. Last but not least, it will ask you to configure your primary user account. Windows 11 installation kindly offers a restore option, which enables you to restore previously synced data from another account, from another PC, to the Microsoft Cloud. So you can either restore from your previous account, or restore from another device, or set this up completely as a new device. Next is your privacy settings and your experience customization. Basically, you select what you want to do on this computer, followed by some offers to Microsoft subscription services. Again, followed by a brief period where Windows 11 prepares for the user's desktop. After arriving at the desktop, there's one other thing that you have to do to make this a fully functional virtual machine that can interface correctly with the host. So you go to Player, Manage, Install VMware Tools. Now VMware Tools is a set of tools that allows the virtual machine to, for example, display correctly and enable drag and drop between the virtual disk and the host drive. So you just go to Setup 64 or just Setup to set up the tools. While VMware Tools installs itself, let's go check out some of the parameters for our virtual machine. Oh, there we go. The tools are successfully set up. Anyways, let's go into Settings and then System, About. And as we can see, all the configurations took effect here. And if we go to Settings search bar and we type TPM, and if we click on the option that says Security Processor, we can now view the specifications of our virtual trusted platform module. And with a fully functional Windows 11 virtual machine, this video is thus over. If you guys like it, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one.